What's going on, YouTube? Man, I just want to do this video because I noticed I ain't do no POVs in a minute. I'm probably not going to be talking that much in this one. This shit might be short because ain't really nothing to do. It's like I ain't out with nobody. I'm just like by myself type shit. Yesterday, I think, nah, it wasn't yesterday. This a video probably like, yeah, I think it was yesterday. Yesterday I was at, Battle of the Borders, and y'all gonna see that video probably, well, y'all probably watching that video right now. This video is the next day, so I've been in the house all day. I just came outside. I was editing and just sitting down playing a game type shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm sitting in the car, I'm like, I had my mom wanted me with a car. I was like, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? I need to drive my baby. Bro, the city's so fucked up right now. Like, this shit is terrible, bro. Yeah, I really don't know. Oh, shit, I'm yawning. But, yo, this shit right here, bro. This shit been like this for mad long, bro. Like, mad long. This shit been fucked up for last winter, the winter before. Like, this shit been fucked up for mad long. But, yeah, yo, I don't know what the fuck. Why this is like this. I look a little better. Oh shit, I'm sitting at the fucking, what you call it? Damn, son, this shit just terrible. I love driving downtown. That shit just sounds so fucking crazy, bro. Yo, a lot of people be like, oh, the fucking V6 sound terrible, V6 sound bad. Bro, that shit lovely, my nigga. This just satisfied me enough, bro. That V8, that motherfucker costs too much, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. They wanting like 50,000 for an RT. Yeah, they are tripping, bro. I'm not doing it. Yeah, that's the last minute ass signal light. Go ahead, bitch. I should have turned down there too. That shit look like mad shit was going on. No, this what I'm gonna do. This what I'm gonna do. Well, y'all ain't see nothing. You feel me? This was a very legal U-turn. Can I make that? It's a big ass car. Oh yeah, and by the way, a lot of people ask me this shit, but like I can get full lock. Like I could full lock the wheel with these wheels on. I don't rub at all. Like my wheels and tire setup. I'll do a video on that shit too. Talking about like the wheels and tire setup. Probably do a video like my exhaust setup, shit like that. What the fuck? I'm gonna drop the keys. But yeah, I could do full lock. You know what I'm saying? I don't rub and scrub. I could go over any bump I want type shit. Like, everything good. That fucking Charger pull up on the side of me. That shit look crazy, bruh. I should follow him. But, oh, he on the donut. Damn, son. Nah, that's all good, though. This shit still fire. He gonna get that shit right. This shit crazy, bro. And all my windows is down up, I meant to say. And the only thing I got is like the roof cracked a little bit, you know. And boom, that's how my shit be sounding. I don't know how good it's gonna sound on camera, cause I ain't using a GoPro. I got the phone in my hand. I couldn't find my fucking mount for the GoPro. I don't know if y'all can hear the I need to get a mic too, bro, cause these crackles, bro, y'all gotta hear this shit, bro. I don't know if it be showing on video. Oh, mad shit going on. Blocking the road. Yeah, but Rochester downtown not that big, so I wish I could do more like downtown POVs, cause I kind of like seeing the city lights and shit, but it's not really much city to see. You know what I'm saying, bro? What the fuck, yo? And the Sentra is crazy. I'm not even about to go that way. Yeah, bro, that shit clean, bro. Not gone. Shit sound good for what it is. I'm gonna do a new exhaust setup soon, though. I'll do a video on that, like review. They try to make this shit like New York City so bad, bro. Like, try to make the streets all small and shit, but it ain't even really that much downtown. This shit right here look alright though. I never really come over here. Damn, this bitch got torque, but drop the phone. This shit look alright too. I should take a video over there. I'm gonna wait till it get dark though. Oh yeah, and finally, bro, my fucking axles come in, so probably make a video putting the axles on too. Man, whatever cars y'all buy, enjoy them bitches. No cap. No matter what motor you got in that bitch, nigga, enjoy that shit. I don't give a fuck. You got the 2.5 in your shit, nigga. Enjoy that bitch. Every car I've had, I had fun in that shit. I started off with a fucking Impala. A 08 Impala, bro. That shit crazy, bro. And now I'm in fucking 300. It might not be like a, you know what I'm saying, the Hellcat 300 and like SRT8. You know what I'm saying? But shit, this bitch something, nigga. I put work into it. You know what I'm saying? And it satisfied me. And I let everybody know, everybody who asks me, I let them know, like, oh, wait, what the fuck? Oh, this shit look weird. I never been down here. Big ass pothole. Damn, son. But yeah, like damn. Like I was saying, though. The fuck, like, enjoy your cars, you know what I'm saying? Take good care of them. And eventually, hopefully, you know what I'm saying? You'll get that 8-cylinder if that's what you want, or, you know, the higher trim of the car that you want. Or put that motor in your car. Or do those upgrades. And enjoy that shit, man. Wait, hold on, let me close this shit. Yeah, do those upgrades and enjoy your car. was my first time ever like going that way. But y'all, look, this is gonna be the end of this video, man. I just wanted to hop on here, make another video. I'm trying to be consistent as possible because I work a lot and shit like that. I gotta pay the bills. But I do want to make like a lot of videos so I could look back at it and be like, show people like, damn, this the car I had before and what this shit look like in the future. Cause I got a lot of plans for this car right here, and this shit gonna be crazy, bro. Y'all just don't know. I don't want to spill all the beans, cause then somebody could come on YouTube and watch this shit and, you know, steal my idea. Then it won't be 101. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm not the richest person, so shit gonna come slow, but once they get there, man, this shit gonna be fire. But y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Older be spending a lot, don't play with the game, get put in the box.
Boss shit, Rick Ross shit. I didn't hit no more about the check up in my pockets. I ain't caring what the cost is. We done came from low.